I'll guide you through how to find your Apple ID, even if you are currently signed out of your device. If you're looking to download a new app, or you want to sign in to a new Apple device, and so you need to confirm your Apple ID email address, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Your Apple ID is the key to all your Apple services and is usually the email address associated with your account. Here are the fastest ways to find it. Before we see how to find your Apple ID on an iPhone or iPad, let's check out how to locate it on a Mac. Here's how. Open System Settings or System Preferences on older macOS versions. Click on your name or Apple ID in the sidebar. Your Apple ID is the email address displayed under your name. Next, here's how to locate it on iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Open the Settings app. Tap your name or profile picture at the very top of the screen. The email address listed directly below your name is your confirmed Apple ID. To see any other associated email addresses or phone numbers linked to your account, tap Sign In and Security. If you are signed in to another Apple service, your ID will be visible there. To view your ID in the App Store, open the App Store and click or tap your profile photo or initials in the corner. Your Apple ID is displayed immediately. To see it on iCloud Online, go to a web browser and visit account.apple.com or icloud.com/find. Even if you don't sign in fully, the website may pre-fill your Apple ID on the sign-in screen as a helpful hint. If you are not currently signed in to any device, you can still find your ID using recovery methods. Search your personal email for any official messages from Apple. Look for emails with terms like receipts, support, or repair notices. Apple often includes your full Apple ID email address in the body of these messages for reference. If you are part of a family sharing group, the family organizer or another member can check their family sharing settings. Your Apple ID will be listed there, under your contact information. Now that you've learned how to find your Apple ID, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Apple video tutorials. Thanks for watching.